Welcome to the Swallow's Nest explanation of this year's painting. Every 5 years, your house gets painted. In 2020, 81 homes are going to be painted in the community. There will be a schedule later. It will probably be completed by the end of October 2020. Who's getting painted? There's a map of our community and the area under the red line, the circled area. That's who's going to get painted this year. See if you can find your home on the map. For purposes of our demonstration, let's select 3137 Swallow's Nest Drive. All right, there you are right there. What color is your house going to look like? Here's the same map, but there's a number superimposed right over the garage area, the driveway, and you can see that 3137 is going to get 1. That means scheme number 1. Every home in that cluster will be painted that color. Well, what do the colors look like? Here are the colors, and we've selected 4 schemes. These most look like the detached homes. We selected the 4 best colors we found in the detached homes. So, what will number 1, the scheme number 1, look like on the house? Here is what it will look like from the entry. Your neighbors will be looking at this. And here's what it looks like on the side. The roof is not exactly the right color, but the others are. And here's what it'll look like in the garage area. That's number 1. The next scheme is number 3. Here's what that will look like from the side and from the garage area. Those of you who have scheme number 8, it's very similar, but a little bit different gutter color, side view, and the garage view. And then the final scheme, 9. Front, here's what most people will see from the street, and you and your neighbors will look at that. If you want more information, you can pause this video or go to this website, our website, and select Documents. It's in the left column. And when you go there, you'll see a list. And under Design, if you click on that, you'll see this list. The colors for the cluster homes and townhouses are there at the very bottom. Just click on that and you'll see a duplication of the chart we already saw. If you'd like more information or you didn't get what you needed out of this, repeat the video and pause if you want to stay on one of the pages and look more closely. Thanks a lot. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.